This is Amber Marie Manor. This house is 100 years old. It's seen 100 Christmases, but it's never seen a Christmas
Amber Marie style.
Welcome to Amber Marie Manor.
Come on in. I'm Jere Marie. I'm one of the owners of Amber Marie and Company. And what else did you want me to say?
My name is Amber, part owner of Amber Marie and Company.
Amber Marie and Company is a mother and daughter company. We started 20 years ago. 20 how many?
20 years.
20 years ago. I was just a young chick.
I was
a baby.
I was the baby.
We are a lifestyle boutique. We offer everything to make your home beautiful, make your life exciting and fun.
This isn't just a house. It's a stage for everything we've ever wanted to share with you. And most of all, it's a dream. We've built Amber Marie and Company for the last 20 years, Mom and I have together, and it's all been a dream. Having the store was a dream. Continuing a family tradition of retail was a dream for me. My grandfather was in retail, my mom was in retail, now we're in retail business together. And this house is really an extension of that dream. It's that curation of all those things coming to life, all those dreams wrapped up in one big, beautiful package here.
We're turning this home into a seasonal showcase, a fabulous set for our YouTube family to watch our adventures.
This is the perfect canvas to really showcase what we can do, Amber Marie and Company style. Not only our Christmas decor, but every season. Our vision is that you feel a sense of what you can do in your own home. As we showcase this house, it's all about inspiration through our trials, through our education, that we hope that we can inspire you to have a beautiful home, that you know that you can do it.
It's your home, and it's the heart of your family.
It's rare that you get to do something this big with somebody that you love, but you know what? We're lucky and we're crazy.
Absolutely, we are. We're so excited to do this, and it's gonna be fun and great. Oh, yeah.
We have so many ideas for this house. We're literally just getting started.
That's right, stay tuned, folks. It ain't over yet. The magic is coming.
Let's start with what sold us on this house, the grand entryway and the staircase. You can just imagine every person that's walked down that staircase, every prom photo, every family tradition photo that has been taken on that staircase. If these walls could talk, imagine the stories that they would tell.
I never thought of that.
From 1925, original hardwood floors, a century of parties and gatherings. Who's been in this house? What did they talk about and what did they see?
We love everything about this house, the creaky floors, the bright lights. We just hope there are no ghosts.
When you're searching for a house, you say, what window's gonna be the Christmas tree window?
Absolutely.
Does this house have a Christmas tree window? This house has two. I can just imagine walking in the front door, the beautiful Christmas garland and greenery around the front door.
Absolutely. I can already see a big, beautiful tree right there.
We just know that our trees are gonna sparkle and shine.
Oh, of course, we've gotta have sparkle. It's not Amber Marie without sparkle and glitter.
Yes, get out the garland and get out the glue guns,
That's
Jere.
right, we're ready to go.
This is the perfect Christmas house. One of the things that Mom and I fell in love with in this house is how open it is. And you look to your right and there's the big, beautiful, open family room. So it's a great space, lots of natural light, which I love. And then as you turn to your left, you're gonna see the dining room. And then off the dining room is probably my favorite room of the house.
We call it the conservatory. It's got a very old, unique fireplace in there. There's a story behind it, and I love stories.
All the tiles, actually. I think they're made in Germany.
I thought it was Italy.
Or Italy.
Somewhere over there.
Old homes just have character. The staircase is beautiful. The antique chandeliers, the columns outside, it's just very stately.
One of the things I love about this house is a porch. I always wanted a porch. And we have a great side porch with 2 swings. And I love the kitchen.
Mom and I spend lots of hours in the kitchen. We cook a lot together. And so since so much time is spent in the kitchen, we want to have our space. We love all the counter space. There's lots of storage space.
And light. There's so much light in that kitchen. I love that. This is light and airy and makes you want to go in there and cook.
It does?
Well, not as much as I used to. I love the landing. You go up and you turn, and so there's a small little landing there. And I've always wanted a landing on my staircase. You stand and you look down over this beautiful staircase onto the first floor. I just think that's so precious.
I love that too. We built a master bedroom on the first level. We walk in and we feel like it's a ballroom.
Oh, it's huge.
You can put a king-size bed in a whole nother living room in this master suite.
It's so pretty. I love the glass knobs. It makes you feel like Cinderella.
Oh, it does.
I've always wanted glass knobs.
It's very important for us to honor the tradition of the house, but then bring a new era of sparkle.
We're going to be showing you that as you follow along with us as we decorate and bring this home to life as Amber Marie Manor.
With this house, we hope to inspire anybody that dares to dream big. We want to invite you to dream with us. We're not just decorating this home for us, we're decorating this home for you. If you've ever made a purchase at Amber Marie Company, have ever been inside of our store, all of our YouTube viewers, this home is dedicated to you. This Christmas season, we hope to start a new tradition, a tradition that you follow the videos, you see how the house transforms year to year, and you're able to actually come in and visit and make a visit to Amber Marie Manor part of your holiday tradition with your family, or your friends, or your mom.
Yeah, bring
This is
Mom.
something we would do together. Watch how this house is going to transform. We're going to show you exactly, step by step, what we're doing.
It might be empty now, but honey, just hang on, because it's going to be fabulous.
It's going to make your head spin.
You're going to want to stick around for this.
Make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can follow along and you're not going to miss a minute of our craziness here at Amber Marie Company, because you know, at Amber Marie Company, it's not done
Until it's overdone.